So in this video we're going to look at how to put on the inflatable waist life jacket. So this jacket has a kind of a two-part process to put it on, unlike a normal yoke inflatable life jacket, which is already strapped around your shoulders and waist. This particular jacket is strapped around your waist, and then when you inflate it you need to put it over your head and do up the straps. To make sure that the life jacket is ready to inflate, you want to make sure that it's got the CO2 cylinder installed, that it has a green indicator clip on the actuator. If the green indicator clip is not installed and instead you see a red mark, then the jacket is not suitable to use. It needs to be serviced and reactivated to work again. So when you first put on the jacket, make sure it's nice and firm around your waist with the red toggle out of the pouch, because that is your ripcord. So you want to make sure that's easily accessible. So to inflate the life jacket, you want to pull firmly on the ripcord and pull it away from you to the side. So let's inflate it. So the jacket is going to inflate like so, and we want to put it over our head first off. We want to put the back strap, which will be attached to the top of the jacket. We want to feed that between our legs, so from behind, between our legs, and then clip it onto the clip located at the bottom of the life jacket. And then you want to do it up nice and firmly, adjust it, and this is always a good idea to pre-fit your life jacket beforehand to make sure that all the straps are nice and firm. And then we've got the straps on either side, which we can pull down nice and firm, and then the life jacket is donned correctly. When the life jacket is over your head, it's inflated, you've got your back strap or your groin strap fed down between your legs, clipped on, and you want to make sure these two straps here, you can pull them down to make it nice and firm. So here we have an oral inflation tube. So this is a backup tube in case you lose some pressure in the actual life jacket itself, in the bladder. Then you can use this to re-inflate or to add extra air into the bladder. Now to deflate the life jacket and let it down again, we can do that via the oral tube. So we reverse the cap and we press that into the tube. And that's going to let the air out. And as you do that, you can press on the yellow bladder to help push the air out. And at this stage, you can undo the clips and finish deflating the jacket on a table. Undo that, lift it off our heads. We can take the buckle off, so the buckle just feeds through like so. Feed it through that way. Take it off, and then we can put it on a table and let the rest of the air out and do a full service, replace the CO2 gas cylinder, which will now be expired. We'll have a pinhole in the end there showing that it's been punctured, and so that can be discarded, and you'll need to do a service on the jacket and replace the CO2 cylinder to reactivate the life jacket, ready to go out on the water again.